Okay, so now we've peeled our shrimp, and I'm going to show you, in case you need to devein these. These are just, there's really not too much vein to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Sometimes there's a dark vein down the back of the shrimp. What you want to do is just get a paring knife and just cut down like this. And sometimes you'll see a black little section there. There's the vein itself, which, as you see, this one, really good shape here, these shrimp. So what we want to do is cut these into about thirds for our Benedict. So you can just line them up like that. Make it easier for you. You can do it all at one time, and you can also judge by doing this. You can judge the size if you want to keep uniform here. So just go ahead, like I said, into thirds or thereabouts. Just cut across. And so now you have some nice bite-sized shrimp that we're going to add to each one, and I'll show you what we're going to do with these.